I literally just finished going on a time travel back in time at the Newberry County Courthouse. Let's go ahead and take a trip back in time as we go through some of these old records. Now, going through some of these old deed books on a mission to hunt down an old plat for this commercial property that we own. So I purchased a small mobile home park in Newberry County last year. It's got 8 mobile homes on the backside, 2 in the front, and it's got this big warehouse. Well, that commercial property is zoned residential, which it makes 0 sense. It's like a big open concept warehouse building with a residential zoning. So we're in the process of trying to get this property rezoned so that I can turn it into a storage facility, and then we can bring on some containers on site and really maximize the value of the property that we already have. So this is a super cool opportunity. It's like traveling back in time, where this sweet lady was referencing plat numbers and heirs and deeds on properties on a hunt to try to find the recording of the correct plat. So anyways, super cool learning experience for me on a mission to maximize the value of this property that we already own. And that's a good little nugget that I learned from one of my good friends was, hey, the best way to maximize cash flow is to look at what you already have and start to think outside of the box to figure out how you can find a better use case, how you can maximize the use of the property, bring in more cash flow, and ultimately increase the value of your real estate.